Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need perler beads, rainbow pony beads, and these big perler beads. You can get these off perler.com, or some craft stores have them. They look like this. You will also need scissors, a needle, a hair tie, and 3 pieces of yarn that measure 35 inches. And we're going to start with taking the ends of one piece of yarn, putting it through the hair tie, and opening the other end up, and you're going to grab these ends. Well, let's try that again. I was trying to do it too slow and then lost my ends. Okay. So we have this open. We're going to grab these and then pull. Now we're going to get another piece. Same thing, put the ends together. Open it up. Grab the ends and pull. Okay, and then we have one more piece, so we're going to do that again. Open it up, grab the ends, and pull. And you want to try to get those as even as possible at the end. Okay, so you can lay that hair tie down, and we're going to work with these 2 pieces. So I'm going to start with the first one over here. You're going to put your needle on. And now we're going to start our pattern. So we're going to take 1 pony bead, 2 small perler beads, 1 pony, and 1 large perler bead. And that's going to be the pattern we're going to do in every color. So once you have that on, you can pull that down. So the next color is orange. We're going to put on 1 pony, 2 perlers, another pony, and a large perler. Next color, yellow. 1 pony, 2 perlers, another pony bead, and a big perler bead. Green. We're going to do blue. We're going to do purple. Now we're going to repeat that. So we're going to go back to pink. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. And this is going to be our last one. So we're going to do purple. And for this one, we're going to add 1 extra purple pony bead. And you're going to pull this tight. And then we're going to make a knot right here. And you're going to want to make a few knots. And the reason why I'm using two different perler beads, these are more lightweight than the pony beads, so it will be more comfortable to have these in your hair for a long period of time. Okay, and then after you get all your knots, just trim that off. And this is what it looks like. So you're just going to repeat this pattern on each strand of yarn that you have. And I have one that's finished, so I'll let you see what that looks like. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.